guys, happy Mother's Day. It's Sunday, May 10th, 11 days before my birthday. Whoop whoop, Gemini season. It's like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. I'm going to show you what's been consuming our entire weekend. We literally have done nothing else other than what I'm about to show y'all. Hey Eric.
Hi.
Okay, can I show them what's been going on up front?
Yeah.
Okay. So, excuse the mess, there's always a mess in here. But, look. Cabinets are here and assembled mostly and put in place. Here is the island color, we changed it. And Keith is putting together the last cabinets. Hey, honey.
Hey.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're super excited about the cabinets being here. I have taken a nap today. Our weekends have turned into doing nothing other than the house. Eric has been at work with me all last week. He'll be at work with me this week. Keith will be going back to work. So pretty much we just had the weekend to get this done. So Keith has like made it his mission to get the cabinets put together and at least set in the places where they're gonna go, so that we can kind of clean all these boxes out and kind of actually see the footprint of the room with the cabinetry in. So yeah, next after the cabinets go in, we're going to build up the rest of the island layout and get the sink and countertops and stuff done within the next couple weeks while we're waiting on the upper cabinets, because we have to wait for the upper cabinets to come in for almost a month. So at least a month actually. So we're trying to just get as much stuff done in the meantime as we can. So after that we'll try to get the flooring in and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give y'all a quick update. I really hate that there really isn't much for me to let y'all know about. I might pull out the camera a little bit later this evening after Keith is done in here. We might just sit and have a chit chat with y'all, and that'll go up on Monday or Tuesday, because that's pretty much all we're doing. Yes, it's Mother's Day and it's beautiful outside. Eric is 4. He doesn't even really know what Mother's Day is, so he hasn't even said Happy Mother's Day. So yeah, we're not really doing much at all. So anyway, just wanted to come and give y'all a heads up on what's been going on. And thank you so much for all our new subscribers. I saw this morning that we hit 701 subscribers. We're so close to the first 1,000 of our 50,000 journey. I'm so excited because I know it's just gonna go up and compound from there, and this community is just gonna get so much bigger and so much broader with so many different insights on life and so many different people who know that the status quo, what the societal norms are ridiculous. There are no societal norms at this point. We're in 2020, so we're just really excited about that. And yeah, so that's what's been going on. I'll see y'all in a little bit, maybe have a little chit chat, and if not, I'll see y'all tomorrow, because if that little chit chat doesn't happen, then this vlog will go up on Tuesday instead of Monday. Y'all know how it goes. Anyway, see ya. Hi guys, it's Monday. So I didn't come back to you guys yesterday, so here we are today. I have no idea when this vlog is gonna go out. We really didn't do anything else yesterday except eat some food. Do not open that door. Except eat some food and just relax. Loving the cabinet. Don't mind this cardboard. We just had something up here, so we put the cardboard to protect it. But these are the cabinets for the island, and on this end of the island will be a wine chiller. And we're thinking about putting more. We weren't going to. We were going to just leave it like this and let there be an overhang. But we're going to make the island a little bit bigger, so we have to get some additional cabinets. But I love these cabinets, you guys. It's kind of hard to open them right now. Let me do this one. So it is, you know, the soft close. So that's really nice. And this is the Lazy Susan. Everything is hardwood and very sturdy, so we're really happy about that. Next on the agenda is to get the other cabinets, and then we will be getting the sink and countertop installed. maybe within the next week or two. I was hoping the kitchen would be usable by my birthday, but it's not looking that way. Good news, we just had an update from our governor here in Louisiana, and they're gonna start phase 1 of reopening the state on the 15th. So that's really good news. Boogaloo's outside. I'm gonna walk outside and show y'all the garden, because not the lettuce side, because y'all have seen everything that's going on over there, but I'm gonna show y'all where we have our tomatoes and tomatoes and cantaloupe that is thriving. So let's go. Okay, so my neighbor's dog is barking, but I wanted to show y'all these tomatoes. This is a Creole. We have like a lot of aromas. So yeah. And the cantaloupe. We have one there, some more coming in. So yeah, so excited. And some jalapenos in there. So what I was trying to show y'all outside, my dog was barking, so I might have to voice over it, I'm not sure. But what I was trying to show y'all outside was the tomatoes, jalapenos, and cantaloupe that are thriving. So I already have dinner. Keith will be working late, so he'll be home at about 8. And he said he wants leftovers. Wait. So what I'm gonna do is eat my leftovers for dinner. And then I have some salmon here in the refrigerator. I just bought some frozen fillets. So what I'm about to do is I have some salmon that I've been thawing in the fridge, and I'm basically just gonna take it out, season it up, stick it in the air fryer, and just meal prep it for lunch for this week. Keith doesn't really care for salmon. He will eat it, but I don't like forcing him to eat it because I know he doesn't really care for it. So I'm just gonna take the salmon, season it up, put it in the air fryer, and it'll be done and ready to cool and be used for lunches this week. Whether I think tomorrow I'm gonna do like a quinoa spinach salmon bowl with lemon juice. I have this creamy Italian garlic dressing, but it's really high calorie, but I might have to use it. I'm also thinking about sauteing up some broccoli, so maybe I'll do like a broccoli spinach saute, something to have for lunch this week. And Eric is running back and forth in the background, even though I asked him to just wait. So yeah, I'm just gonna meal prep up some salmon, eat some dinner, chill and relax, and enjoy my evening. So maybe y'all will see this tomorrow, maybe y'all will see it Wednesday, not sure. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all super quick. This is the salmon, and I just have it in the air fryer, and then I'm going to steam some broccoli. That butter is Kerrygold garlic herb butter. I just believe you're gonna eat the calories, eat real butter. So that's just some frozen broccoli and some Kerrygold garlic herb butter. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave, and since it's frozen, it'll steam and melt all together. And this is what I'm meal prepping. Okay. Hi guys. So per usual, it's now Tuesday, and I just got home from work, so I'm going to edit the footage that I have. Of course, this vlog's been all over the place, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed seeing the new cabinets and seeing how the garden's coming along. Speaking of which, I just pulled a zucchini out of our garden. I'm going to cook that up and eat it with some leftover hamburger taco meat that we had from a couple of days ago, and have that for dinner, kind of like taco salad in a bowl, kind of. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. Keith is home. I wasn't expecting him to be home. He's actually outside handling something really quickly, so we're just gonna relax. I'm gonna edit this vlog. Hopefully it'll be up for you guys tomorrow, which will be Wednesday morning, and we'll see y'all then. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.